So we are here in this small town of Netherlands called Ype. This is specifically different than all the other places that we have been to in Netherlands. There's a good reason why I'm making a video about this town. This town has found a balance between modern life and nature. I'll explain further. We start with this cozy city center with a shopping street, eateries, and a few historical landmarks. This is Rijksmonument, means a national monument, and has been designated as such due to its historical and architectural importance. Standing beautifully in the middle of the town, it is Grote Kerk, means big church. We continue in the city center, but we see these nature elements everywhere. What's with that? I'll tell you further. It's interesting how this town maintains calmness also in its city center, which is supposed to be bustling. For a quick eating stop, we visited Grand Café Cornelis, which comes recommended by many. And now it's time to visit the royal side of Ype. And then what you can see is a castle. Step back in time. This is Castle Kannenberg. It is a well-preserved nobleman's residence with a rich history. Usually when you say castle, you see a defensive structure. Here, it is more of a comfortable living space with its stately rooms. Portraits, period furnishing, historical artifacts is part of the interiors. This stone arch bridge used to be a drawbridge. The moat surrounding the castle gives it a very calming presence. The castle is surrounded by a watery park that still powers the last remaining mill. And it offers walking paths, a vegetable garden, and a cafe. How are you liking Ype so far? Hope you're enjoying as much as me. Please comment below. Now I'm showing you what Ype is actually known for. So the main thing that this Ype is known for is the greenery, the green park, or the forest area that you can say, which is called as Veluwe. And that is huge, and you can just walk, hike, cycle around, and it's just beautiful. The beautiful nature area of Ype. There is also a map provided for all those activities. You also see a hidden village, which was used as a hiding camp in World War II. You see some beautiful houses as you walk or cycle. You get to see some farms with alpacas as well. All in all, it makes your walk, ride, or stay very peaceful. The place where we stayed was also beautiful, and the host was lovely too. 100% nature is what Ype puts forward and is proud of.